My name is Symphony. I'm a real estate agent at the Godalia Group. I've lived in Havasu for about 28 years now, and I've been working with Paradyme for the last 4 years. The Godalia Group has been the broker for Paradyme for the last 4 years out here in Lake Havasu City. It's been amazing working with Ryan over at Paradyme. The growth we've seen has been exponential. Paradyme is always sold out, and we're continuing that drive going into our last phase. We're so excited to be representing Paradyme with their new ventures. We have the Boathouse Storage coming up, the Lofts, and barn caves, so a lot of exciting things coming their way. Ryan has been amazing with collaborating with our team to really see what Lake Havasu City is missing and needing to bring that into our community and keep growing us, because the growth here in Havasu has just been nonstop over the last 10 years, and Ryan has been a huge part of that. Ryan's vision at Paradyme is just going to continue growing and expanding what Havasu has to offer. Something different about Ryan than other developers is his feet are on the ground. He has his hands in every decision with Paradyme and is always collaborating with new ideas and what Havasu needs and what we want to see in the next development, what buyers are wanting, not just what he's wanting. He's always collaborating with us on the selling side to see what Havasu needs, what the buyers are looking for. We're not just putting out a product that is down the street. We're putting out a product that everyone's been wanting and talking about. A great example of this is Paradyme Storage. Our first phase had amazing storage units. They sold out quickly, but he noticed that there was a few comments and needs that people were wanting, and they were adding to their units. And in every phase after that, Ryan went ahead and just added that. Not only do you have RV plumbing and hookups, but you have an air-controlled space with insulated units. This is a high-end luxury product at an amazing price, and Ryan delivers on time, if not early, every time. If you're looking to invest, this is a great product, whether you're looking to buy and rent the units out or just own some equity, or if you're looking to invest on the other side and be a part of our development and bring these projects to life. This is an amazing company to be a part of, and the growth is nonstop. Over here at Paradyme, we're a huge family, and we'd love to have you a part of it. Again, my name is Symphony. I'm with the Godalia Group here in Lake Havasu City. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, please visit our website or reach out to us at 928-453-3202.